Hi, my name is Bree, and today I'm doing day 18 of my cookie advent calendar. And today we are going to be doing, I can get out of the box, ginger snap cookies. Okay. This recipe is on a typewriter paper. No doubt my Uncle Rick probably typed it up for my grandma after it was handwritten several times. Anyway, you're going to need 2 cups of sifted flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of shortening, a cup of sugar, 1 egg unbeaten, 1/4 cup of molasses. The directions are very short. It just says blend well. So no particular order, just throw it all in a bowl and blend well. And then we're going to form into teaspoons of dough into small balls and roll in white sugar. Place 2 inches apart on an ungreased cookie sheet and bake. No temperature, nothing. Just bake, okay? You figure that part out. I'm gonna assume we're gonna bake at 350 till it's done. Probably about 10 minutes. I'll check on it after that. Okay, so first up, 2 cups of flour. I saved you the agony of watching me figure out the flour cups, and went ahead and did that. And I also went ahead and put 3/4 cups of shortening in the bowl. So we got 2 cups of flour going in. We need 1 tablespoon of ginger. Right? Tablespoon? Okay, I guess it is ginger snap cookies. I'm like, that's a lot of ginger. And it doesn't say what kind of ginger either, so I'm just assuming it's ground ginger. We're gonna do a lot of assuming today with this cookie recipe. But they wouldn't have access to fresh ginger, so whatever. Here's the 1 tablespoon of that. And then 2 teaspoons of baking soda. One teaspoon of cinnamon, and I just want ground cinnamon. Tempted to put more because I love cinnamon, but we're just gonna go follow the recipe. I already put this shortening in, and it says a half teaspoon of salt. A whole cup of sugar. Then 1 egg and 1/4 cup of molasses. Let's go ahead and do the molasses, and then we'll do the egg. Okay, so is this liquid or dry ingredient? I don't know. Oh, it's kind of liquidy. Never used molasses before. All right, I'm gonna clean that lid off first. Okay, and then 1 egg. Let's go pour that in. I know molasses is used in a lot of recipes, but it smells bad. I just bought it fresh from the store, so I know it's not bad. Just smells strong. And I know that's what you use to make brown sugar, but it's whatever. Okay, so it's 1 unbeaten egg, so we'll just put that in there too. Try to scrape out this rest of this molasses syrup. I had to go to a couple of different stores to find molasses, but I found it. All right, now we're just going to mix it all together. We'll blend it well, is what it says. This is what it's looking like right now. Looks like I'm going to be here for a while, so I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so about 5 minutes later, and I got a nice cookie dough. If you have a hand mixer, it's going to go way faster. So the next part is you're supposed to roll this in white sugar. So I got a little bowl. I'm just going to put some in there. Of course, it doesn't say how much, so just put whatever amount you want in there. It says to roll them in balls and 2 inches apart. No smashing required, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I hate rolling cookies in sugar. This is probably gonna be the one time I do this. I hate touching cookie dough and then putting it in sugar. Does anybody else hate that? Is it really worth the sugar coating on these? Just saying. I should test out a few to see if it's worth it. Doing this the one time only. All right, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna bake it at 350 until I think they're done. So I'm gonna do it till like 10 minutes, check on it. They look like they're like golden around the edges, which is hard to tell with this colored dough, but they look like they're done. I'm pulling them out. Typically cookies bake for 8 to 10 minutes, so that's what I'm going with. Sometimes you need like 12 minutes, but I doubt it. Who knows? I could be wrong. Could be baking these for 100 minutes. That's not true. But, so I'll show you what these look like when they're done. Right, I ended up cooking these for 10 minutes at 350 and they turned out just perfect. Look how cute that is for ginger snap. I don't think I've had one of these since I was a kid, but they're very soft on the inside. I suppose if you wanted them very firm, you cook them a little longer. I'm gonna go ahead and try them. They are delicious. They taste exactly like ginger snap cookies from the store-bought, only they're way softer. I know the ginger box out of the cookie store is always like firm and dried out. These are like super fresh and very nice. I shouldn't say always, just the ones I've tried. So these are very delicious. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.